Salzer Electronics Ltd, an electrical components manufacturer. Company has more than 3 decades of experience in manufacturing, industrial switchgear, building switches, wires and cables, smart meters, and more. Company is a market leader in cam-operated rotary switches, with 25% market share and 20% market share in the wires and cables segment. About 55% of the revenue is generated from the industrial switch gears, 39% from wires and cable segment, and 6% from building switches. These products are used in diverse industry segments. The company has even secured multiple patents for its products. The company was incorporated in 1985 and got listed on NSE in 2015. They are based in Coimbatore with more than 750 employees. Company has 7 manufacturing plants located in Tamil Nadu. The market cap of the company is 1,802 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,019 rupees per share. The company has a 23% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 28% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. In 2020, company acquired 74.91% stakes in KC Industries to expand its footprint into the railway segment. In 2024, company started setting up a new manufacturing plant for smart meter by allocating a capex of rupees 33 crores, which will have a production capacity of 40 lakh meters per annum and is expected to be profitable by Q2 of 2025. Company also has a long-term association with Larsen & Toubro. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. The promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters has increased through preferential basis allotment. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Company serves more than 200 clients from 50 countries, with revenue concentration of 73% from domestic and 27% from exports. Some clients of the company are ABB Group, Larsen & Toubro, Schneider Electric, Kohler Industries, GE, Siemens, Lakshmi Machine Works, Indian Railways, Nuclear Power Corporation, and more. Company is the only approved supplier of Nuclear Power Corporation. About 73% of the revenue is generated from India, 10% from Asia, 9% from Americas, and 6% from Europe. Company has 3 subsidiaries and a strong network of 40 international distributors. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.